was good. The PDCA model of Plan, Do, Check, Act, customer requirement, all was good. But I became very sad after studying so much on ISO. My UPS guy comes and says, sir, UPS लीजिए, ISO लगा हुआ है इसमें. वो भी branded model नहीं है. सबके पास ISO है. If everybody has ISO, then there is a problem in ISO. Like everybody today has three-letter word. What is it? MBA. How many of your MBAs here? Oh, good. I'm in front of a very good audience. Oh, okay, but don't mind that. You're the alone. I'll give you company. I'm also an MBA. Okay, I'll give you company. Oh, Aditya is with me. 3 people MBA. We are generating religions, we are generating factories, we are generating models, we are generating multiple things. But remember, when we transform, let the factory approach go out for a while and let us try to put those so-called passion, thought, dil se, jhaake, let us try to do it in a very open way. At the same time, we must have minimal documentation. That is what I am talking about. The fact of the matter is, quality is a filter. Quality is a filter. It's a bandpass filter. I'll tell you an example. I'm a visiting faculty. I go and teach various B schools on my weekends. I do a lot of talks. And I was with this, when I was in Delhi, I was with this gentleman, Ashok Chauhan of Amity University, okay? He called me into his room in Defense Colony and asked, Dr. Saab, मुझे बताइए ये IIT इतना famous क्यों है, मेरा AIT something, Amity entrance exam इतना famous क्यों नहीं है? Why only people talk of IIT? उनका रूम में AC नहीं है, उनकी दीवार लीक होती है, उनके वॉशरूम्स ठीक नहीं है, उनके इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बहुत घटिया है, उनके लोग तो बहुत पुराने हो चुके हैं, फिर भी IIT की इतनी वैल्यू क्यों है? Simple. I told you, I will prepare a JEE paper. I'm personally a JEE. I prepare a JEE paper tougher than your. I told the Amity faculty, prepare a Amity JEE paper, AJE something. Tougher than the JEE paper, put an ad in the paper, all people who cleared IIT failed in Amity entrance. The brand is created. Brand is created then and there. Quality has arrived. 4 lakh जिसको मिलता था उसको 8 lakh मिल रहा है. Starting salary. IITians get how much? Starting salary IITians? 8, 9 lakhs, 10 lakhs campus. The normal guy makes 3 or 4 lakhs. So a brand has to be created, so quality should be seen not as a separate entity, it has to be seen as a part of business. So quality has to be engineered into business. Now what we are doing, we go to customer, कितने पैसे दोगे, इतने पैसे दूंगा, with quality, without quality. चाय वाली बात है. चाय कैसा मिलते हैं? Cutting chai. What are the 3 types of tea you drink? 3 types of tea you drink. I was in Mumbai. Oh, okay. 3 types of tea you drink. Chai without doodh. Chai with doodh. Malai marke. What else? Flavors. A guy who makes a tea should have put all into one and brought down the cost less and given a good quality to all. You have got quality. Now you tell that Malai marke chai is very costly, so he doesn't even go there. Because you are restricting him. Therefore, they're putting a filter there. So, I'm told that we are shooting time. So, Kanban is agile. I've talked about it. It uses visual card. It uses signboards. There's a work in progress in Kanban. It's full. Okay. Scrumban is a compromise. It's a hybrid between the Scrum and the Kanban methodologies. It's used for both product manufacturing and support-based companies. Scrumban is very simple. You have a task to do. Simple logic. So I'm going to teach like a kindergarten to all of you. I somehow like this model. After working with so many models, I think I've gone on a simple way. I thought I should share it with all of you today. To do tasks are listed. Work in progress is put, done. So if a man called John wants to run a production, he starts deciding that I'll do task 1 that goes in progress. 2 and 3 is in do. He has to keep a work in backlog process 5, 6, 7, and he has to keep managing his backlog. In step 2, this is a continuous improvement. You have got task 2 again to do, task 3 again to do. It goes on and on. So basically this is a simple progression of the backlog versus priority versus talks. Very simple. I don't want to spend too much time how you do it, but I want to tell what you do in step 3. Your main aim of Kanban is to divide your work in progress into smaller steps. You have to discover your bottlenecks well early in the game. Don't wait for your child to get the report card and the PTM meeting. Go and meet the teacher once in a week. Backlog has to be split into few columns to get a visual view of the things which you have. That's a very important point here. We have to have some empty slots. Don't keep everything in a tight compartment. So my submission to you is, this could be a good method, but keep the backlog as simple as possible. Those who are doing agile only, play only on demand. Supply side will be tough. Split your backlog into few columns. So I'm summarizing the 3 steps. You can do multitasking. I'm not saying you can't do multitasking in Kanban, but keep some space for it. Most important thing is decouple planning and releasing. That's the most important rule of Kanban. Allow people to pull tasks themselves. This is where creativity comes. Don't do the push principle. तुम designer हो तो design ही करोगे. तुम tester हो तो test ही करोगे. Unit testing नहीं करोगे. Maybe the designer has lost interest in design. Let him plan for a while. So ask them to pull the task from the tray. Specialize your team. Let the people focus on what they prefer. Have Kaizen events, a quality circle, continuous improvements, make people to do huddle. I have 5 more minutes. Okay, good. Use tools, agile tools. So what is the tool you're using in agile in your current company? Any tools? Maybe, yes? Okay, so that is it. So maybe Aditya, would you like to throw some insight here? Because he's championing this cause for the India. So Eileen, I don't want to name this tool is good. It could be Rally, it could be Target, it could be Kanbanary, anything, any tool, good. Idle method for startups, those who said, fast-paced project. Projects who are fast-paced and continuous product manufacturing systems. Kanban was used in Toyota production systems. Kanban has been used everywhere. So we thought that let us try to do Kanban. As Kanban applies on the pull principle, the team members can choose the work they want to work. This is where we are giving that authority. This we don't give it in Scrum. We decide that this is the guy who will do this sort of thing. And here we have all the steps put. So at the end of the day, when we say Scrum, when we say Kanban, and we say Scrumban, I thought let me put, I will put these points. Iterations in a Scrum is 1 to 4 weeks, we all know. In Scrumban, it's continuous work with short cycles. Work routines, you use both push and pull in Scrum, but you use only pull with late binding of team members. That means the team members get assigned, allocated, and fixed late. The scope limits are total work. Here it's a work in progress. WIP is the name of the game. Planning routines are sprints in Scrum, but they are done on demand. Estimation has to be done before the start of sprint in Scrum, but estimation and this polishing, I'm saying sorry, don't even try it, just I've kept it optional. Performance metrics, you have burn down, retrospective meeting, velocity and all in Scrum. I'm saying the whole game is going to hover around like a hub, average cycle time. Average cycle time is going to be the basis of metrics in Scrumban. Your continuous improvement, which was having a sprint retrospective meeting, is not seen as a short Kaizen as an option. Again, I'm making it optional. So if you see Scrumban, it has more elective subjects and less core subjects or mandatory subjects. बच्चा जरूर पास होगा. बच्चे पास हो जाएंगे because elective subjects are more and core subjects are less. That is. I like the theme, so I thought I have to share it with all of you. So that's the thing. I don't think I have a time for the case study, but I can share it with all of you later, which your sons, your daughters face it in the school, the rat race. Don't put numbers to them. And I'll end, Shah Rukh Khan said that, I know cars have numbers and not human beings. With that, I would like to end this. Thank you very much.